Good morning, students. How are you? Fine, no? Okay. So please take your um, geography book, page number 74. Today we will discuss about non-metallic minerals. In non-metallic minerals, there are some limestone, mica, then you have coal, petroleum, coal and petroleum, and natural gases. Natural gas, coal, petroleum, mica, and limestone. These are non-metallic minerals. They are very soft. In some are gaseous naturally, and some are liquid, but they are not a metal. So limestone is what is limestone? Limestone rocks are composed of either calcium carbonate, the double carbonate of calcium and magnesium, or mixture of both. So they are mainly calcium, raw materials of calcium. Limestone also contains small quantity of silica, alumina, iron oxide, phosphorus, and sulfur. They are in a very little content. When I say limestone, hope you know what is this limestone. You might have seen, you don't know. It's a what called it's a very soft. Oh, it's like exactly. Let me see. Like chalk. Chalk is made of soft limestone dust together with the other materials, which is preservative materials they put, otherwise is a limestone. And there are plates, there are idols, there are other models they make over the building. Also in building work also limestone is used. So limestone deposits are of sedimentary origin, sedimentary rock. Hope sedimentary means layer by layer was sedimented, gathered, settled down, and then there are layers. So they are sedimented origin. 75% of limestone is used in cement industry. Yes, so they are also used in cement making. Mostly they are used in white cement. Okay, 16% in iron and steel industry, and 4% in chemical industries they are used. Rest of the limestone is used in paper, sugar, fertilizer, etc. Limestone is used as a building material also. As I said, building material, an essential component of concrete, portland cement we call it, Portland white cement, as aggregated for the base of road. So in the road also, the down below they put base so that it will not sink down. As white pigment or the filter of products, toothpaste and the other chemicals they use. Next one is almost all the states of India produce some quantity of limestone. Over three-fourth of the total limestone of India is produced by Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of limestone. Rajasthan has about 6%, produce over 16% of the total produce of India. The production occurs in almost all districts. Andhra Pradesh possesses about 1/3 of the total reserves. And then these are the place name are mentioned. Gujarat also has the limestone. Tamil Nadu. China is the world's largest producer of limestone. See, they make use of the limestone in making plates, the vases, idols, and other things. Besides the building work and cement, they make use of the limestone in a vast number of things, followed by USA and Russia. India is also there, but these are the leading countries. Mica, what is this mica? Mica is a natural occurring non-metallic mineral that is based on the collection of silicate. Silica is a shining material that you might sometimes when you walk in the field, something are shining like a diamond. Some small plastic like things in the soil, shining things, they are mica actually. In the raw material of mica is collected. It is a very good insulator that has a wide range of application in the electrical. So it is a insulator. That means in mica there is no the current will not pass through. So mica is used in electrical and electronic industries. It can withstand high voltage. It can resist the temperature also, and it will not burn. It will not burn easily, and has low produce of loss of factor. It will not get easily burnt. It is used in toothpaste and cosmetic because of its glittery appearance, because of its shining appearance. They use in the small quantity of mica is used in, especially all these makeup things that they are making up, makeup and cosmetic things. So usually in the parlors and all that, you are using various types of cosmetics and the makeup pastes and all that. Mica also is there, so your face shines. In 1999, Indian mica trade alone constituted 60% of the world mica consumption. In large traces of Bihar, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, both Muscovite and Biocotic black variety and white variety are occurring here. About 95% of India's mica is distributed in just 3 states of Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Mica is produced large. Jharkhand has the thickest mica belt and accounts for 60% of India's production of mica. It's of great value. Hence, mica is found in the belt extending for about 150 kilometers in length and 32 kilometers in width from Gaya district to Hazaribagh. So that range, South Bihar. And Koderma district. Koderma is well known for the mica production. Jharkhand, which produces more than 50% of total mica production in India. Andhra Pradesh is also second largest. China is the leading producer of it. China is always in the leading figure. Next one is the coal. We know that we are very much aware of the coal and the use of the coal and the petroleum and gas. Here are the things there. So coal is the hard black mineral that is found below the earth's surface and burned to produce heat. So heat energy is produced. So with that, heat energy and light energy. It is a sedimentary rock that is formed from the decaying remains of the plants. That means remains of the plant which are not burnt to ashes, but they burnt and become coal. Coal has a high percentage of carbon. It is a non-renewable energy. 4 different varieties of coals are available. The quality varies depending on the carbon content, which varies with time, pressure and heat that acted on the rock during the coal formation. So peat lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. These are the four types of coal found. Pit is the brownish substance of the present and presents the first stage of coal formation. Pit. Then comes the lignite. Lignite is a brown coal with 40 to 60% of carbon in it. Bituminous coal is black coal. It has 70 to 80% of carbon content. Anthracite is very good quality of coal with 90% of carbon in it. So it burns without smoke. See, and it is very, very good. It is very, very good. It extract less coal smoke. Coal plays a pivotal role. That means important role in the energy and industrial sector of India. Considering the crunch of the reserves of their other energy sources, coal is still the mainstay of Indian energy resource. Deposits are increasing and all that. So here with the coal there are petroleum, atomic, solar and geothermal energy also is produced. Coal constitutes 60% of the country's energy resource. So that is there. In India, coal is found in the states of Jharkhand. All the place name is given. Other coal producing states are Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. New deposits are found in Tamil Nadu also. Singarini in Andhra Pradesh, Korba in Chhattisgarh and Talcher in Odisha, which are being developed in association with the industries. Coal found in India is used by railways and iron industries. It is abundantly found in China. Yes, and the use of coal, first people to know about the use of coal were the Chinese and other places also. Petroleum next. Petroleum along with the oil and coal is classified as the fossil fuel. So fossil fuel, what is fossil fuel? Fossil fuels are fuel that are made out of from the organic matters, and they are non-renewable sources of energy. Once it is used a second time you cannot use. That is that's why it is fossil fuel. Fossil is the remains of the dead plants or animals. That is called fossil. And so it is mixes with the soil and becomes silt, sand and mud. Fossil fuel take millions of years to form. Therefore, petroleum is also considered as to be a non-renewable resources of energy. Thought to have been formed in the decompose of the animals and vegetables, that is plants, in the deep earth. When cracked and refined, it is produced hundreds of petrochemicals that are converted into thousands of products. Petroleum is also formed by hydrocarbon with the addition of certain other substances, primarily sulfur. Petroleum in its natural form, when they first collected, is usually in the crude form. Crude oil, we call it crude oil. Originally, the primary use of the petroleum was to lightening fuel. Once it had been distilled and then turned into kerosene. That was the kerosene. Then from there, petroleum products are extracted. There are several measures of oil producing regions about the globe. And so there are like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, all these places are the places where petroleum is extracted. Saudi Arabia is the first one. Okay. Next one is the gas. So in next class we will see the next about the gas and the types of mining. Okay. Thank you.